Building credit with a card is simple if you use it the way scores measure. Credit scores reward clean patterns, not paying interest. The biggest factor you control is paying on time because late payments can damage your score fast. Your balance matters too, since high usage can pull your score down even if you pay by the due date. Here's the key. Issuers report to the bureaus about once a month, and they report your statement balance, not your due date. Carrying a balance just adds interest costs. If you want credit building to run on autopilot, set up payments like a system. Autopay the full statement balance so you build payment history without interest. Pick a due date that lines up with your paycheck so cash flow stays easy. Then add a minimum payment backup, because one missed payment can linger on your reports for years. Also confirm which month autopay starts and schedule it before the cutoff time. After that, review your payment history regularly to catch mistakes early. To build credit faster, you have to manage what gets reported each month. Track your statement close date, because that's when your balance snapshot is usually sent to the credit bureaus. If you pay before the close date, your reported balance stays low, which helps your utilization, your balance divided by your credit limit. Keep purchases under 30 of your limit, and under 10 is even better for many people. Mid-cycle payments prevent accidental max-outs, and credit limit increases can lower utilization without spending less. The easiest credit building routine is boring on purpose. One small charge, pay the right way. Put a small recurring bill on the card, then cap total spending below 10 of your limit so your utilization stays low. Pay before the statement closes if you want your report to show a tiny balance, and always pay the statement balance by the due date to avoid interest. Don't carry debt to build credit. It doesn't help. And never use cash advances. They're costly and risky. Once your habits are solid, you can grow your score by expanding carefully. Ask for credit limit increases periodically, but treat the new limit like a safety buffer, not permission to spend. Add new cards slowly because each application can cause a small, temporary score dip and lowers your average account age. Keep old accounts open when possible, since age helps. Use Autopay as a backup even if you pay manually. And check your credit reports for errors because late payments happen. If your statement balance reports at 50% of your limit, your score can drop even if you pay on time. CreditCardAgent matches you to cards based on how you actually spend and estimates the real annual dollar impact versus your current card. Free, about 3 minutes, no credit check. Links in the description.